Hey friends, hello everyone. Today we're going to create this amazing chrome effect for text. So, to start off, let's create a new composition. And using the type tool, we write our text. We set the anchor point to the center and also align it to the center. We choose the walnut font. We slightly increase the size of the text and reduce the line spacing. And next we add our text to pre-compose. Let's create a new solid and name it Chrome. And to this solid, we add the fractal noise effect. And we set the settings to match mine. And we also add the effect to this solid, CC, Blobilize. And we select our text composition. And here we already have the chrome effect, but let's improve it a bit. So we add our solid and pre-compose with the text into a new pre-compose. Let's create an adjustment layer. And we add the Triton effect to it. We slightly change the colors. Add turbulent displace to adjustment layer. Cooler. And we also create a new adjustment layer and add the turbulent displace effect to it. We also set the settings to match mine. And we animate the evolution using the expression time and multiply it by a certain number. For me, it will be time multiplied by 60. And here's what we ended up with. Thank you friends for watching. Today we have this tutorial, and see you next time.